Do you want your toast?
Can I eat it in the car?
You can eat it in the car. I'll make sure it's buttered, don't worry. It's happening! Right, what do I need to pack?
Okay.
Right, do you need to sit on the toilet if you're going to leak everywhere?
I don't know.
I'm going to pack a shirt for me. What's this?
Oh, that's mine.
Do you want it?
It's got a stain on it.
Things might be about to get stainy.
Yeah. Oh my god.
2 pairs of socks, some undies.
No, I was born at 1:45.
Were you?
The time, when I looked at the time, just before my water broke, it was about 1:45.
How did it, what happened?
It's not really leaky.
Because we're coming back. Oh my god, it's everywhere.
We might not though. Oh
Yeah,
god.
they're done.
Oh god.
Sit, Jade!
I don't need to get ready.
You can't get ready just yet because your waters are broke, you're leaking. Your next move, right, is going to be from getting up that toilet and getting into the car. That is your next move, okay?
Maybe.
Stay put. Everything's packed. Nappies,
Yeah.
towel for the car.
Yeah.
You take that one.
Yeah, no, get a little one.
Yeah, a little one. That's for you. You have got to sit there and leak for a bit, right? Don't move. We're ready. Are we ready to go?
Oh, a big bottle of water.
Okay. Bottle in situ. This is everything. This is. You calm?
Yeah.
Pads are there. Is that 3 pads?
Yeah, but
You're gonna need more. You're gonna need more than that. If that thing's going it this way. Okay. Come here. I love you. Okay, toast ready. You alright?
Yeah. I'm quite scared, but let's just get there.
Oh, you're toasting that thing.
Oh, I'm taking a banana.
Here we go. Okay.
Are you filming this?
Of course. How are you feeling?
Just a bit nervous.
Okay.
Hungry.
You got your toast? Okay. Am I allowed to go through red lights and stuff now?
No.
I'm no expert, but that looked like a lot of water.
It was. It is.
Hang on, does that mean it could happen on the 13th?
Yeah.
Oh my god, it's coming on your birthday, Jade, I can sense it.
There we go.
It's gonna be a girl, do you reckon?
Yeah.
Oh, I don't know.
I think so.
I still don't know. I think I'm gonna, do you know what, I'm gonna stick with my original guess.
What boy?
I'm gonna go with boy.
I think girl.
So you're saying girl now and I'm saying boy.
Birthday.
Have you had your toast?
Mhm.
You stocked up? Right.
Go on. You get stuff in the bag.
Is this where we start hearing people screaming? Night intercom.
Hello?
Hello. How are you feeling?
A bit
This,
confused.
yeah, I'm confused.
So, they've definitely gone, your waters. Hopefully, you're going to labour yourself, but a high percentage of
Overnight?
ladies do, yeah, all the early hours of the morning probably.
No, I'll just feel the contractions.
Yeah, so try and chill, it's really, really important.
Oh, how can I go home and sleep? You have a baby tomorrow.
Are you alright?
Yeah.
You've been sent home.
I really wanted to just stay here and have the baby. I've got to go and sleep. How am I gonna
You
sleep?
do need to get some sleep.
How?
You're booked into the antenatal ward from 10 o'clock.
PM.
But please phone the antenatal ward a couple of hours before and check that the bed is available at 9 o'clock.
Oh, so they reserve it basically.
You've been booked into the hotel, baby. Do you want a Mackey's?
Yeah, I'm really hungry. I think I just want a hamburger.
Yeah, hamburger, double cheeseburger.
What if I fall asleep and then baby pops out? Yours is heavy.
It's 9:10. I think contractions are well underway, aren't they, darling? She's in good hands with me, Dr. Anderson.
You're being very good.
Oh, thank you. Is one happening now?
I think so.
Okay. Tell me when. Tell me when it properly.
Yeah.
Okay.
When I said ow. Okay, let me get up and have a shower.
Well, hang on, you're having a contraction.
I feel fine now.
Has it stopped?
Yeah.
Hello, Jade.
Hi, Mum.
Hi.
Yeah. My waters broke last night.
No.
Yeah.
Fantastic.
um,
And?
well, I'm having contractions now. But yeah, they just said I've just got to stay until they're more regular. I know, I can't believe it.
I can't believe it. You could have a baby for your birthday.
I know.
I need to tell my mum.
Is she working?
I don't know.
Oh, Nick!
Oh, what is wrong with me, you baby? You're the baby, not me.
Hello.
Hello. You alright?
Yeah, you.
Yeah. I'm just letting you know that Jade's waters have broke. So yeah.
Where is she?
She's right next to me.
Yeah. Hello.
In the house. Well, be positive.
Oh yeah.
Mind over matter.
Oh, she's read a hypnobirthing book.
Oh, it's a shame now. I could have come down, couldn't I?
You could have come and
Look into my eyes. Look into my eyes.
Hi mate, everything alright?
yeah, you alright?
Very well, thank you. Just in a driving lesson now.
How are you?
Everything alright?
Yeah, it's all good. Just so you know, Jade's waters broke, so she's on the way.
Oh, blimey. She's right on time. A little bit early, yeah. That's lovely.
Yeah.
That's good. She should be a bit worried and so will you, but it's all perfectly normal. Don't worry.
No, it's all good.
But don't worry about that. Thanks for letting us know.
Alright.
Alright.
Chat to you in a bit.
Alright. Alright.
Ta-ra, bye.
So funny. I knew it'd be the driving lesson.
(4:15). Situation?
Contractions are getting pretty bad again. Another one coming. Right.
I'm back.
Quick, time. Oh god. This is really painful.
Oh god.
You're making me feel a bit sick as well.
Probably the banana milkshake doesn't help.
It's the banana milkshake.
Oh, here we go. Hello?
Hello, hi, it's Emma.
Hiya.
Okay, I've had with the Caroline. If you want to make your way into the Haven, it's she feels that she'd like some more pain relief.
I'd rather just go in and check them to check me.
Right, this is it.
We going to have a beba?
This is the last time in the house with no child. Ready to birth? You look like you're about to pop.
Come on then. I think you seem more nervous than me.
I'll get my jacket up.
Okay, that's okay. Doesn't matter. Let's go.
You okay?
Yeah, let's leave that jacket, shall we?
Put it on. Okay, right.
Alright, got your snack bag? Got your... What are you?
I'm gonna find the hole for the key.
Oh my god.
Imagine. Right, see you there.
This is so typical us, isn't it?
So we went to the hospital. Jay's not in labour yet. They were like,
I'm having contractions.
she's having contractions, but she's not in
But
labour,
not
so
regular enough.
we've got to go back for 11 o'clock so they can induce her or check her. So until then, we've just got to go out and get some food. Just having a last meal. Jade's literally just started having contractions. That will not stop her eating though.
I really need it. I needed some fuel for the,
Upcoming.
events.
Should we go have a baby?
Yeah, we don't.
Come on then. Right, this is it now. This is it. This is the final car ride.
Well, they're not sending me home though, are they? They're not giving me the petrol and sending me home.
No, you're in now.
I'm in.
You're in for good. What an absolutely insane 24 hours. It's been nuts. It's been nothing like I imagined it was going to be. I thought it was going to be chaos, blood. Second I saw that water on the carpet last night, I was like, that's it. I thought, this time now, we'd have a kid.
Yeah, I was like 24 hours before we have a child.
Yeah.
I was exactly the
24
same.
hours later, and nothing. This is it now.
Yes, carry.
No going back. You ready for this?
Yeah.
Let's do it. Let's have a baby.
Let's do it.